Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am making a feather for part of a collaborative or group project that I am doing with my entire school. I am inspired by muralist Kelsey Montague's What Lifts You mural. This larger-than-life mural has two wings that you can stand between for a picture, and her mural brings much joy to downtown Nashville, Tennessee. I am making a similar mural at my school with feathers made by every student and staff member. In this video, you will see how to come up with an idea and a plan for a feather of your own. First, brainstorm a list of things that lift you up or make you feel happy or better when you are feeling sad. Next, decide which thing you want to illustrate or draw on your feather. Then make a plan for how you want to write your name in your design or express your identity with your work. And lastly, begin drawing your feather. I made templates like this one for my staff and students to use. First, you can write your name, year, and class on the back, then cut out the oval shape. On the plain white side, begin sketching your design lightly with a pencil. I am drawing my chosen family because these people and animals make me feel better than anything else. They really lift up my spirits and make my life great. While you watch me decorate my feather with my drawing supplies, start thinking about your idea and your plan for your feather. It is wise to know what you are going to make and how you are going to make it before you get started. After you are done designing, you can add a sticky Velcro dot to the bottom section of the feather. That will help with the overall construction of the wings. You can also use a pair of scissors to cut tiny lines around the oval toward the middle to create a more realistic feather texture like this. Once all of my staff and students have completed their feathers, I will have the big job of making two gigantic wings. We will attach the feathers to painted paper plates like this one to construct the wing shape. And it looks like it's nearly your turn to try this art challenge. Simply design a feather template with pictures and words that express all the beautiful things that lift up your spirits. Remember that this is about having fun, so yours can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy.